Hello all the peoples. Good evening. I hope you can understood previous class very clearly. So today I am going to the next chapter and I will taking your another class. So our today's topic is planning. We are really quite familiar with this term planning. We use we use this term every day because without proper plan we can't reach our destination and we can't fulfill our goals. Okay, so let's start. What is planning or define planning? In organizations, planning is a management process concerned with defining goals for company's future direction and determining on the missions and resources to achieve those targets. To meet the goals, managers may develop plans such as a business plan or a marketing plan. An American economist arrives as that follows: planning is the attempt by centralizing the management of the allocation of resources sufficiently to take into account social costs and social benefits which would be irrelevant to the calculations of the decentralized decision maker. Type of planning, right? We do different types of planning every day. So how it could be done? So number one, a strategic plan. A strategic plan is a high level overview of the entire business, its vision, objectives and value. This plan is foundational basis of the organization and will dictate decisions in the long term. Number two, vision. Where does the organization want to be 5 years from now? How does it want to be influence the world? There are some of the questions you must ask when you delineate your organization's vision. It's okay if this vision is grandiose and idealistic, but if there is any room of wax poetic within a plan, it is here. Holding ambitions to make a dent in the universe is acceptable, as it is more realistic vision to create the most customer centric company on earth. So our next question is, how can we acquire flexibility on planning? Number one, have clear goals. Depending on your product, this can be measurable in numbers defined by development phases. They can even be somewhat or general, but there has to be something that is motivating and clear enough to follow. And the bar must never be set too low. Number two, most short-term plans. Try to do short-term plans, okay? It will be more effective and essential. For us, it is 3 months, but it can be see shorter or longer. The main point is that the planning period must be realistic. Number three, trust your people. Do not assign tasks for the planning period that cannot be done anyway. Discuss the decide tasks and goals with the team. Too many tasks, dependencies, resources, comments, etc. Let your people fly. No, don't fire them. Don't They wouldn't be very wise. Let them do their things as they like. Learn to let control go. Have weekly team meeting. Try to organize team meeting every week if you can, because this team meeting coordinating with people, and if you are a manager, it will be really helpful for your staff to connected with both of you. So try to organize every week a personal team meeting. Thus you can, or your organizational will grow more and they can product more. Okay, so think in the moment. Problems, new ideas, customer suggestions, everything is easier to deal with when you are not stuck in long term period. So guys, I hope and I wish that you can understand the planning process very easily. This is not really actually very hard. This is very quite easy. But if you have any question, then ask me anything about it, I will try to explain you more easily to you. So I'll going to end this class today. See you in the next class. Thank you.